Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name's Olivia and today I'm going to be doing a clean with me. This one is an after vacation clean with me. So we just got back from Whitsundays, Australia in the beginning of this week, and so there's just a few things that I have to do to get the house back in order along with my typical weekend routine. So I hope you guys enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. My next video is going to be like a travel guide for our Whitsundays vacation, and you won't want to miss that. So I'm just gonna start with doing the laundry as I normally like to do on the weekend. Luckily, while we were away on holidays, I did a couple loads of laundry like at the vacation houses, so we didn't come home with tons of laundry, which made the process a lot more enjoyable unpacking and getting ready. But I just had a few loads of laundry to do this Saturday, so I just separated a dryer load and a load that I would hang up. So typically with the dryer, I just like to do like linens, socks, underwear, pajamas, clothes that I don't mind necessarily shrinking or don't really care about that much. And then I typically like to hang up any normal everyday clothes, and then if they're not dry by the end of the day, I do put them in the dryer for a couple minutes. I also forgot to mention that our holiday in Whitsundays, Australia was partnered with Tourism Whitsundays. So it was really exciting because we got to do a sailing adventure and tons of other things through my blog and my social platforms. So that was really awesome to be able to partner with them and experience beautiful Whitsundays. But it's always nice to be back home and getting back into your routine. So as much as I love vacation and that was amazing, it's nice to kind of get back into the routine of things. As per usual, I'm using the Method Heavy Duty Degreaser to wipe down my counters. I absolutely love this stuff and I rave about it all the time. So I actually have an Amazon shop where you can see all the links to my products that I love for cleaning, but also if you follow my blog, Our Wandering Mind, I have like my travel products and that kind of stuff, and tons of other lifestyle products as well. So just my Amazon shop is a really great place to see all the products that I love and I use in my everyday routines. So I'll leave those in the description below. One area that it comes to cleaning that I really want your advice, so definitely leave comments down below. If you use a cast iron skillet, do you clean it? And then if you do, how do you clean it? Because I know a lot of people say that you actually don't clean it because that makes the flavors better, but I like to use some hot water and scrub it with just a scrubber sponge thing and just kind of get all the oils and everything off, but it's never really super clean. Let me know what you guys do if you have a cast iron skillet. I'm really curious. I just don't really know how to go about cleaning it, but I do like using it. So leave a comment down below what you like to do for your cast iron skillet. along with washing clothes, I also had some folding to do. I normally don't fold many clothes. We either roll them if we put them in drawers or they're hung up. But for towels, I do specifically fold them a specific way. So I'll go into a different angle so you guys can kind of see how I do it. It's just a nice way to keep all your towels neat and organized. So I kind of just fold it in half and then fold it in half again and then fold the corners in. So hopefully that's a little helpful, but it just makes it look really nice and neat. And if you have your towels in a linen cupboard, it looks really, really nice this way. So unfortunately, a couple days before we went on holidays, one of our cats passed away during surgery. So our other cat and that cat were best friends, so she's a little lost at the moment. So I've just been trying to give her some extra love. So if you guys have any advice, especially for cats, I know dogs can be different, but our cats loved each other, and it's definitely different for her around the house. So if you've had any situations with one cat dying, what did you do to make the other cat feel better? Because it's so hard not being able to tell them what happened. But yeah, so sad news, but unfortunately that's life. I'm using my Method wood cleaner to clean all the wood surfaces in the house. I like to do, once I do one wood surface, like the dining room table, I like to do all the wood surfaces in the house just to get everything done. And like I said, all the links will be down below. So I just gave the house a quick vacuum, and that's gonna be how I started my Saturday cleaning routine. So the weekend's off to a great start now. The house is clean, I feel a lot organized, and kind of back in the routine and the swing of things from vacation. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you did, and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. So I hope you guys have a great day, and thanks for watching. Bye!